Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. So this is How To's by J&A, and today we're going to be discussing and working on how to fix a squeaky sunroof. So this is a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta, and the sunroof squeaks mainly when it's in the sun. And so what I've done is I've gotten this 303 rubber seal protectant from Amazon. There's a bunch of other products like it. And we're going to go through and we're going to see how we can get this to fix. So let's get started. All right, so I've got the sunroof up on the tilt to start out, and we're just gonna go in there. We're gonna press it down to get the liquid flow. Hey guys, so I got that done. It's been about 10-15 minutes. I went ahead and closed the sunroof, and I think we're good to go. So if you have similar problems, I'd recommend doing this to your cars as well. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. Have a great day. Thanks.